This is my bihon. Bihon. Kumakain na kami ng bihon. Ramadan is done. Eid is done also. Thank you so much. Alhamdulillah. My recipe today, kalabasa with seeds. Kalabasa. Every day new recipe, the salad. This is today my recipe. Eggplant. Ini is my shawarma. This is my shawarma.
Like this. Because I have scratch.
Sorry.
No, not allowed. And
Shawarma.
also like this.
My new recipe today, salad. Thank you. Ito na yung salad ko, recipe. May salad, tabula with gas. Ilalagay dyan ang tabula ko. Ito na yung tabula ko. Tapos na.